Is Windows failing to load because of the Formats module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Formats module, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Formats module, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume software suites, such as specialized image converters or legacy CAD tools, to house their format-parsing logic. It manages the translation of raw data into localized application structures. Because it is non-standard, its absence usually points to a failed installation of a specific third-party tool, resulting in file type not supported errors within that application. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Because Formats module DLL is tied to the localized file format, manifest runtime inside a specific application standard. Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Formats module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Formats module DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Formats module and maintaining system health. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Formats module remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.